Hello, Las Vegas area rental property owners. Ken Ravago with the Ravago Group Property Management. I'm back with you on another topic. This one is about Assembly Bill 121, which is a new Nevada law that was passed that directly affects you, the rental property owner, and how you can advertise and structure your lease agreements. This law is effective October 1st, 2025, so let's get right into it. Number one, rent must be advertised as one total number. So under AB 121, landlords are now required to present rent as a single figure. That means if the property has the base rent and you have a mandatory charge like trash, solar, pest control, pool service, these fees must be rolled in one amount and it needs to appear in your lease and in your listings. As an example, there's no more separating of lease. If you have rent advertised online at a base rent of $2,500 and there's a trash fee for $20, pool service for $150, and solar for $200, if my math serves me correctly, that's $2,870, and that's what you have to charge. And that's the number you need to put in your marketing and in your lease agreements. Number two, online payment rules. A lot of professional property management companies use an online portal as a form of payment. AB 121 says you can no longer charge tenants a bump up fee or a markup. If the cost from the portal provider is $3, you cannot charge another surcharge of $1 or $2 extra. Also, you cannot ask or you cannot require them to give up their bank account details. You need to give the tenant, resident, another option to pay like good old-fashioned check or money order. Number three, application fees and refunds. If you collect an application fee from an applicant and don't run the application, you have to give them their money back. It's now part of Nevada law AB 121. There's also accountability on not charging a minor in the household an application fee. There's no application or screening fees for those under the age of 18. Number four, legal risks and responsibilities. What can happen to you if you don't adhere to AB 121? Tenants now have the right to sue landlords who don't comply with this assembly bill. If they win, they can collect damages like attorney's fees, statutory penalties of $250 per violation that involves deception. This means compliance isn't just good business practice, it's the law, effective 10/1/2025. So, last but not least, owner takeaways. Always advertise your rent as one clear total figure. Keep your online payment fees at actual cost, no bump ups or upcharges. Refund application fees that are unused, and stay transparent in your leasing process. Here at the Ravago Group, we're already adjusting our systems, our leases, and our marketing practices to meet these requirements. So if you're one of our property owners, no action is needed from you at this time. If you're a self-managing owner or just kicking around the idea of renting out your investment property, please use this as a resource. Again, Ken Ravago, Ravago Group Property Management. Until next time.